Wait, are you still pouring oil directly into your pan? If yes, you might be using way more oil than you actually need. Let's be honest, we all want to cook healthier, but every time too much oil goes into the food. Salads become heavy, frying feels greasy, and portion control completely disappears. And later, we regret it. But now, there's a smarter way. This is the YARRAMATE 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer, a premium glass oil dispenser that sprays or pours with perfect control every single time. Whether it's salad, frying, or BBQ, you get even oil distribution, less waste, and better cooking results. Made from food-grade glass, strong, durable, and easy to clean. Honestly, why were we still using messy bottles? Oil dripping everywhere, uneven pouring, and zero control? All that extra oil ruining the taste and our health. This simple tool could have solved it long ago. Now my oil bottle is like...
Relax, bro. I got this.
One spray, perfect amount. Even my food is like...
Finally! Some discipline!
So if you want to cook smarter, use less oil, and keep your meals healthier, the YARRAMATE oil sprayer is a must-have kitchen gadget. It costs only $8.99, and over 40,000 people bought it just last month. Link is in the description. Check it out and upgrade your kitchen the smart way. Also, do like and subscribe for more videos like this.